So today we are going to charge our tablet with the help of an Android device. So for this purpose we will use an OTG cable and a simple USB cable. So let's start. First we will connect a USB cable to our tablet this way. Okay, now we will connect the USB OTG cable to this way. Now we will connect this OTG cable to our Android device. So this is connected and you can see the light glows up and it's charging. As you can see, this icon is glowing. So in this way you can charge your tablet with the help of Android device. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel, like our video.